Back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing my blonde wig. I did not tone this wig, I did not color it, I did not do anything. This is straight out of the packaging. So I want to see how this yellow hair is going to look on me. I'm not going to glue this wig down because I'm not sure if I'm going to like it or not. So I don't want to put glue on my head and then I don't like how it turns out. So I'm going to show you guys me tinting the knot, the lace and everything to match my skin tone. Also, I wanted to give you guys a little tip when you are tinting your lace. I feel like I've been on TikTok so much. It's taught me a lot, okay? You want to use a darker foundation. So today I'm going to do a foundation a little bit darker than my skin to tint my lace just to see how that works. So yeah, let's get right into this video. Today's video is in collaboration with Yolissa Hair. This is their packaging that came in the mail. They did give me a couple of things. They gave me some lashes, this little head wrap scarf type thing, an edge comb, a adjustable band, and I think I'm going to add this adjustable band in the wig just because I'm doing it glueless. All you have to do is measure around your ear like this, kind of pull it a little bit so you can have some tension, and then cut this much and sew it into your wig. I have a video showing you guys how I sew my bands into my wig, so I'll just link that instead of doing like the detail thing. But yeah, that's how you measure it. They gave a head wrap so you can tie your head down. I'm not even going to open this. I feel like we already know all these things. 2 wig caps and their bag to store your wig. That's all the stuff that came in their packaging. So let's get right into this video. I'm going to play some music while I do this, but I'm going to show you guys the products that I'm using. So this is their wig. This is the yellow tone of the wig. I did not pluck this wig or anything. I just feel like plucking blonde wigs isn't necessary in my case. I just feel that way. But yeah, so this is how the wig is looking. It is really long. I'm gonna have the length down below. I believe it's like 26 inches or something, but it's full, so that's really good because we know blonde hair, you don't really get this kind of thickness from blonde hair. I'm gonna be using my Ruby Kisses cream foundation, and this is the color 14 and the color 16. For the color 16, I'm gonna just put it around the front of the lace, kind of like when you put your foundation on and then you put your wig on and you realize it's looking kind of like cascadey, or you could see like that line in the front of your hairline. I'm going to use the darker foundation right at the front of the wig just to kind of mask that, okay? I don't know why I stared into the camera like that. That was really odd. Okay, and for my cap, I'm just going to use the Ebon tinted lace in the color dark brown, and I'm going to just spray my cap. I'm spraying the cap on here because, child, I don't have time. Just like that, and I'm going to leave it to dry. Okay, I'm going to put the foundation on the lace. I'm going to use both sides. Actually, I'm just going to go back and forth to both sides, and I'm going to press this into the lace. And you want to get this really, really good in there because this will look a mess when you put it on your head. So you want to get it really saturated. This is how it's looking. I make sure I do the whole inside so it can really look like skin. All right, I'm just going to prep my hair. I'm going to use my edge booster to slick all the edges back. Okay, and then I'm going to put on my cap. I'm definitely doing a middle part because middle part is just giving. I'm going to be using the Ebon Lace Wonder. Is this Lace Wonder? Wonder Lace. This is the extreme in black. This is probably my favorite thing recently to install my wigs with. Child, if you put your glue on and then you use this to set it in, glue, literally, like. All right, so I'm going to cut off the lace. Make sure that this is comfortable behind your ear because if it's not, that would lead to problems. Okay, so basically I'm just going to flip this up, and the instructions tell you where the directions at. Hold on. So it says start with clean dry lace, spray the hairline, air dry until tacky, or you can use your blow dryer. Repeat the process 2 to 3 times and then let it sit up to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna just wipe my skin with some alcohol. Okay, now that my lace is nice and clean, I end up using some alcohol. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this. I shake it just because. I don't know why I shake it, but I shake it just because. And I'm going to apply this to my hairline like I would apply glue. I recently started using glue again, but I just don't feel like it today. So I'm using this. It says once you apply the first layer, wait for it to get tacky and you can apply it 2 to 3 more times. So we're gonna apply it the maximum hold. But so far this hair is nice. It does have some shedding. I'm gonna apply this 4 more times. No, I'm gonna apply it 2 more times and then I'll come back.
Brushing down my skin, what's too fresh from deep within. Syndrome, yeah. Sheets ain't changed a bit. Can't feel these memories in the washer, so why bother? Oh, why bother? Why? No shell never ever feel the same. Inside you're always gonna say my name. Your eyes stay close just to see my face. While she's thinking that I've been replaced. Deny you, deny you, you and I, we stay in denial. Kisses tickle you so. Highly chills whenever the wind blows. And I take you down at the knees when your sight falls on me. And I left alone with your taste buds, so she'll never persuade one to forget me for her. So I bother. Oh, Michelle, never ever feel the same. Inside, you're always gonna say my name. Your eyes get close just to see my face, while she's thinking that I've been replaced. Deny you, deny you. Stay in denial. Oh, no magic tricks, only sugar in my brown flakes. I'll always be your favorite fix.